what is the advantage of coming to a shop versus a quick lube? So quick lube's got advantages. They're fast, they're convenient, there's a lot of them, so you can stop right on your way home, get your oil changed. It's better than not getting the vehicle serviced. However, if you're gonna come to a shop, it's gonna give you a lot of advantages and make sure that your vehicle's safe. So one of the things that we do is we put it up on a lift. So this vehicle's raised up in the air. When you go to a quick lube, you're driving onto a drive-on rack. That does not allow you to check components that we're checking. So why don't they check that? It's a quickness thing. They can get it in and out. This takes time to raise these vehicles, right? The other thing we do before we ever bring it in here is we road test it. So if you got noises, you might not know that it's an issue. We road test it. We're like, hey, that's a safety issue. We're checking it on the hoist. We find something that is keeping your family safe. That's a definite advantage, and it's worth the extra time. So you can see here, we can see everything up here. We can see your strut, your stabilizer links, all these kind of components we're able to check and see visually, your bushings, all this stuff. And then one of the things when we have the vehicle in the air, we're checking for loose wheels, right? Wheel bearings, that's the only way that you can check tie rods, wheel bearings, things like that, is to have this up in the air or at least on a jack, which they're not doing. So yes, it serves a purpose to go to the quick lube. It's better than not getting the oil changed, but definitely want to get into the auto shop more often, at least once a year regularly, or probably twice a year, to get the oil changed and get the full service, so you know that if there's any safety issues, you got time to budget for them and you're making sure your family's safe.
877-4277